Nobody supports you more than a social media friend that you've never even met.
Women be like, you can't depend on no man. No sis, you can't depend on your man. Mine always comes through.
Hey guys, quick check-in. You can't actually see my makeup, but it is like rainbow. I filmed all day today. I'm just on the way to the mother-in-law's to just quickly drop her groceries to her. I just needed to get out of the house. Oh, so much filming and the dogs had so much energy. So we decided to go for a drive, take her groceries to her, whilst we wait for Morgan to come home, and then I'll cook dinner. I don't even know if I've done an intro to this vlog, so if I haven't, I apologise. If I haven't, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. But it's actually Tuesday 7th of June. It's 5:30 p.m. right now. We are now in winter here in Australia, so that is why it is so dark outside at 5:30 in the afternoon. In summer, you know, like the sun is still around at like 8 p.m. so weird that like 4:30 it starts like getting dark. But yeah, thought I would do a quick check-in. I just thought I'd let you know that my granddad is home now. That he hasn't had any surgeries yet. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. They have found his heart is also enlarged, but due to his age and everything, there's not really much that can be done, and what they want to like risk doing and whatnot. So we're just playing the waiting game at the moment to find out what's going to happen. I'm going to try and go see them either this week or next week. They are close to my vet, and I will need to go get Bobby's ashes when they come in, so I will go and visit them at the same time, just so then it makes the trip worthwhile. Rather than just picking up Bobby's ashes, I can go and do something happy at the same time. So yeah, I will see them then. But I have been like checking in. I sent them a little video of Oliver last night, and they responded this morning and thought it was really cute. So yeah. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Wednesday today. It is the 8th of June. I've got washing to do and I've got some parcels there. I am just finished filming and stuff, so I need to sit down and finish editing. It is 3:53 p.m. right now, and look outside. It is so dark. Is crazy. It's a storm that's just come in, so fun times. But yeah, I've just spent all day. I did a live with James, and then I did some TikToks and some photos and stuff. So now I'm just sitting down to do some editing. I've got another filming day again tomorrow as well. Fun times. That's what happens when I have a week of filming off to grieve Bobby. I let my filming back up. So yeah, anyways, I think that is it for today. I am going to go to the chiropractor at 5:30, but other than that, just staying home, trying to stay warm.
I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me. The boy is mine. Mine.
Good girl.
And all those things that people say, just remember that one day you'll find that smile again. Please just listen to what I say. This is your fight song. You
Yo, do you see the like button? How many does it have? Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, now like it and tell me what number like you were.
I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Oh yeah. I'm asking her to love herself. And no matter what her mind may try to tell her, she's gonna get the strength to change her ways. Face the pain, girl, you were born to slay.
Hi guys, welcome to Sunday 12th of June. Morgan's just making toast if you can hear him in the background. But I really wanted to quickly show you my mini haul because I've already posted my other hauls, so I don't want to create another video, so I'm going to pop it in my vlog. Friday, the mother-in-law and I went to the shop that has the Sephora in it. So we spent all day there. And the last 2 days I've been trying to recover. I've been in a lot of pain, not sleeping and everything. So that's why I haven't done a check-in. I also have a nice little friend on my face. Please ignore it. I do have a pimple patch on it. But I thought I'd show you what we picked up. First item I didn't pick up at the shops. It was actually one that I brought online and it got delivered. This was the Nikki Cosmetics Matte Primer. So I'm super excited because her velvet finishing powder is my ride or die. It withstands my menopausal hot flushes, so I'm excited to give this a try. We'll try it next week. We went to T2 and I just wanted to pick up some peach tea because now it's winter here, it's getting cold, so I wanted a warmer tea. So I got the Paxa Punch T2 tea. And I brought myself a cute little, so I brought myself one of these and it has this really cute little jug and saucer on it. It's so adorable. I can't wait to use it. But yeah, it is like the metallic pink fun infuser. So freaking cute. And then I also brought, this one's nicely packaged. And then I also brought a little spoon to be able to put the perfect amount in, and it's got like little bumblebees on it. It's super cute, and I love that it goes all different colors, so super adorable. And then in their sale section they had this blackcurrant peach blush loose leaf tissue, this loose leaf flavored tea as well, and the lady said that it's really good and it reminds her of this one as well. So I thought I would pick up a little box just to try it out and see what I think of it as well. So that is from T2. So I went to Sephora and I picked up a bunch of items from Sephora. I picked up another Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. This one is in peach. So I picked up that flavour because I love all of these. I picked up one of the small samples of the Benefit Bang Bad Gal Mascara. I just want to see what the hype is about with it. So I thought I would pick up one of the little minis. They were having a 30 to 50% off sale, so that's why I picked up everything. I picked up a little Rare Beauty mascara as well. I've heard that it's good, so I wanted to give it a shot, but I didn't want to buy the full size because I want to know if I like it first before I purchase it because they are expensive. I picked up one of the new Benefit blushes. I picked it up in a mini size though. So I picked up Krista. So this one, when I opened it in store, it was like really bright, like pink, but that's okay. I can just use a smaller amount if it's too. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's really bright, but if I just use a smaller amount, then it won't be so pigmented, but then I can also build it up to be super bright. I thought I would try one of their new blush formulas. Then I did buy some glowish products. I've been hearing them like everywhere recently, so I wanted to see what the hype is about because these were on sale as well. So I picked up the Glowish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. I picked up the shade number 2 medium. So this is what it looks like. I did get a full size one of this because the little mini one wasn't that much cheaper. So this is what it looks like, and open it up. So super excited to give this a try. It feels really soft as well. So yeah, I'm excited about that one. And the last thing from Sephora was one of the Glowish blushes. So this is the blush powder. I got it in the shade Caring Coral. So this is number 2. So it just comes in a little pack like this. And open it up, and that looks really, really pretty as well. So I'm excited to give that a try too. And then lastly, we did also go into Mecca, which is a makeup store here in Australia. So I picked up some more clear duo lash glue. I really needed some more of this, so I just picked up that because I saw it there. I like the brush one. I don't like the tube because I like to just put it directly onto my eyes. And then I also picked up some hair clips. So these are recycled claw clips. All mine have broken or disappeared, so I needed to get some more, and I saw that these were on sale, so I grabbed them. And the lucky last item for this haul is from Charlotte Tilbury. I couldn't go without picking up something. So I picked up one of her eyeshadow pots. So it is the rose gold eyeshadow pot. So this is what it looks like, just a little pot. And then this is it on the inside. Let me just grab a little bit to show you. How pretty is that? So stunning. I mean, I blended that out, so you could pack a little bit more on if you want more pigment, but I thought it would be a really, really cute, like one look eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try as well and see if it creases or anything, but it's super pretty and right up my alley for when I don't want to do like a full on makeup look. I just want to look put together. Really, really pretty. So that was my haul from Friday. As I said, I've been recovering for the last few days, trying to feel better after doing way too much on Friday. So yeah, mother-in-law's coming over tonight for dinner, so I'm cooking silverside for dinner. But yeah, otherwise there's a storm coming. Well, they keep saying it's coming, but it just rains for a bit and then it goes normal, and then it rains a bit and then goes normal. So yeah, but otherwise I will check in with you guys later. So yeah, bye guys.
Oh, so you're an artist? Yeah. Are you good at it?
Duh.